Top 5 countries with the largest land area in the world. 5th, Brazil. With land area approximately 8.5 million square kilometers. Brazil is the largest country in South America and is famous for the Amazon rainforest, the Amazon River, and its vast coastal areas. The Amazon rainforest is home to many species of plants and animals. Brazil is a country with a rich and diverse culture. And the capital of Brazil is Brasilia. 4th, China. With land area approximately 9.5 million square kilometers. China is located in East Asia, and is the most populous country in the world. It has a diverse landscape, including vast plains, plateaus, and mountain ranges. China is known for its rich history and culture. Beijing is the capital of China. 3rd, United States. Land area approximately 9.83 million square kilometers. The United States is situated in North America, and shares its borders with Canada to the north, and Mexico to the south. It comprises 50 states. The United States has a diverse terrain ranging from major mountain ranges in the east, and deserts in the southwest, with diverse river systems including the Mississippi-Missouri River. The capital of the United States is Washington, D.C. The United States is also one of the world's largest economies. Second, Canada. With land area approximately 9.98 million square kilometers. Canada is the second largest country globally in terms of land area. It is located in North America, and shares borders with the United States to the south. Canada is known for its vast and diverse natural landscapes, including expansive forests, and numerous lakes. And Ottawa is the capital of Canada. First, Russia. Land area approximately 17.1 million square kilometers. Russia is the largest country in the world by land area. It spans Eastern Europe and Northern Asia, covering a significant portion of both continents. This country has a diverse terrain from the Gobi Desert to the Ural Mountains and Lake Baikal. It has a diverse landscape and culture. And the capital of Russia, it is Moscow. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel.